Welcome, great people, to the sweetest honey pot. And if today is your first time watching, you're warmly welcome. So, today we are doing another version of the pawpaw leaves home remedy, which is pawpaw leaf tea to ease menstrual cramps and promote menstrual flow. Without wasting much more time, let's get straight into the video. So you wash your pawpaw leaves very well, and then put them in a pot, any cooking pot. Then you add enough water to cover the leaves in the pot, just like I'm doing here. And then you place it on fire, cover it, and then let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it, your tea is ready. Drink a small glass twice daily. Please don't underestimate this tea because it's very good. Thanks for watching.